So in this tutorial we are going to see what are the how to define instance methods in a class. So we know that class kind of gives you uh, a model to create instances where you can define behavior and data. So we have actually seen very little of the classes in previous videos. So in this video what we will see is like how to define instance methods in a class. So what are instance methods? So instance methods are those methods which can be called upon the instances of a class. So here you can see that we have defined a class hello, and here we are creating an instance of that class, and after that we are not doing anything. We are just printing the class of that instance to validate that okay, whatever instance we created is actually belongs to this particular class, is actually a type of this class, is actually an instance of this class. So in this tutorial we will see how to define instance methods. So how to define a method in class which can be called upon its instances. So they are called instance methods. There is another type of method in classes, they are called class methods. We will look at them later on. So in this tutorial we will see the instance methods. So how to define instance methods? Okay, so it is very simple. To define an instance method, we write it like def. Suppose the name of our method is say hi, and in this method suppose we are just printing hi, and that's it. So between this def method name and end is the method body. So if we define any method like this, like name, inside this class we define any method which starts with def and then name of the method and end, then this is actually you are here creating an instance method. So here this class hello has actually one instance method which is say hi. Now we are going to, since this is an instance method, so we should be able to call this upon the instances of that class. So here we have created one instance inst_1. So we are going to call this instance method say_hi upon this method, upon this instance. So there are too many instances word in this video. Okay, so you have this object inst_1 which is an instance of class hello. Now class hello defines one instance method say_hi. So you are going to call this method upon an object of class hello. Say_hi. Sorry. So in Ruby, whenever you call a method, you don't write the parentheses unless you have some arguments. Even with some arguments, parentheses is not necessary. Here also, when we are defining method, we haven't put it like the parentheses. Okay, so parentheses is not something that is necessary in Ruby world. Okay, so we are going to run this file, and we know how to run this file. Ruby name of the file. So in this file, whenever we will run this file, so a class hello will be defined, and after that an instance of hello will be created, and then that instance will call a method say_hi which is defined in its class as an instance method. So nothing should go wrong here. Yes, so here you can see we are able to print hi. So it means our instance or object of class hello is able to execute this method. Okay, so that was all about instance methods. So later on we will see what are class methods, and then we will other things regarding them. Okay, thank you, bye.